Welcome to the video about creating a budget and sticking to it. In this video, we will give you step-by-step instructions on how to create and manage a budget to help you reach your financial goals. The first thing you need to do to create a budget is to determine your income and expenses. This will help you determine how much you can save and where you need to cut back. Make a list of all your income sources and monthly fixed expenses, including rent, utilities, and car payments. In this step, you need to set your financial goals. Determine why you want to create a budget and what you want to achieve. Whether it's saving up for a down payment on a house or paying off your credit card debt, setting financial goals can help you stay motivated. Creating a spending plan is crucial to sticking to your budget. Set a spending limit for each category of expenses, including groceries, clothing, and entertainment. Make sure to leave room for unexpected expenses. To ensure that you are not overspending, track your spending. Use a budgeting app or keep receipts to help you keep track. This will help you stay on top of your expenses and make sure you're staying within your budget. Finally, it is essential to review your budget regularly. This will help you assess your spending patterns and adjust your plan accordingly. A budget is not set in stone, so it's important to make changes as needed. Creating a budget and sticking to it can be challenging, but it's essential for achieving your financial goals. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for you and your lifestyle.